great view of a vine that's got quite a few little itty bitties growing on it. You can just see them. This is how they start out. So we'll watch them as the summer goes on, and come August is when we'll be eating them. You see they're everywhere. Growing, growing, growing. This is just the sweetest sight ever. Look at the cows all laying in their hay. They are so cute. I just put these round rolls out like 2 days ago. They eat through it so quick. They love it, they need it, so we give it. Happy little herd here. We got Daisy and Darla that are about to have a baby any time now. And we got Goldie over there. I don't know where Big Bob's at. We got these two little calves from about a year ago, May 2nd. One there, and then there's another one that's a twin. They were born like 2 days apart. Happy little herd, enjoying their afternoon. This is mischievous Mercy. Yep, she is our little hunter here on the farm. And she will bring us just about anything from bunnies to squirrel to a frog. Look at her, coming to say hello. Hey Mercy. She's a sweet girl. We got her when she was just a baby and had to hand feed her the, what is that, KMR? And she's been a real sweet kitty ever since. Getting ready for summer. Cleaned out the pool and getting ready to fill it up and getting ready to swim here. It is about that time. We enjoy lounging in here on the hot summer days. Filling up the can with some feed. Just makes it easier to scoop out to feed everybody. Cows and the horse. Just dump the feed in there.